Mahaifiyata yar jihar Kano ce. My mother is from Kano State. About my culture and tradition, I know my Igbo culture and tradition very well because I was brought up in the village. I attend both primary school and secondary school in my village. The primary school that I attend in my village, the name is Oriameni Central School. Right from primary 3, I was the leader of cultural dance. Because I can sing very well, I can dance very well, that's why I was the leader throughout my primary school till I finished primary 6. I was the one that was leading the Igbo culture and traditional dance in my primary school. Like now, if you go to Igbo land, this was in the season of New Yam Festival, this September and October. It depends according to every village their market day. Like Nkwo, Eke, Orio, Afo. It depends. Like in my own village, we are going to celebrate our own New Yam Festival, which is Memi Regional Susibo, ending of this September. So I will continue. I will explain about my secondary school. All my fans, and I'm saying hi to all my fans.